Hi everyone, welcome friends to this channel. And in this video, I will tell you and show you how you can easily send any link on your iPhone. Don't forget friends to subscribe to the channel and also please put your likes under the video and write your comments. So let's get to our topic with you. Now I will show you everything in detail. If you have found some interesting link in your web browser that you would like to send, it is very easy to do it, friends. So open any web browser that you like. In my case, it will be Safari. After that, navigate to the website you want to send. Now, in order for you to send the link to your iPhone, you will need to click on the square sign with the up arrow at the bottom, in the middle. That means share. Next, please scroll a little bit above the menu that you'll have, and here you can select, for example, message. And then you have to click on the plus sign at the top to select the person from your contact list. Or you can just type in their name and select that person. After that, you just need to click on the green arrow. This way you will send such a link through a message to someone on your device. The next method, you can choose the mail option. And here basically do the same thing. You can either enter the name of the person or add them from your contacts list, and then just hit send. Also friends, if you are not sure what you want to send now, let's say this link or you don't know through which messenger you would like to send this link, you can just easily click copy. The link will be copied and then you can go, for example, also to mail, to message, to WhatsApp, and wherever you want, or just open notes, let's say. And here, in order to send you this link, you have to click on the message bar or on the notes field and hold down, and then you take paste. So you'll have a link to a specific site, either like this or just the name of that site. For example, if you copy the link to Apple, then you will just see the word Apple as the name of the site, but clicking on it will still take you to that website. That's how you can quickly and easily send a link on an iPhone. I really hope you found the video useful. Friends, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, put likes, and write comments. See you soon.